Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Like you see, live in YouTube channel. AQ Crypto friends, such a website in which you can now start canning gods sitting at home. Like, subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. The new social METWORLD white paper pre-sale 65D 18 height 28M 13S. You want to become a member of the METWORLD, contact with friends anytime, anywhere, monetize and parents. Addressing activities, METWORLD technology is a new underused in the Reese so that you will a future of the METWORLD social network look like. Bonuses are paid in 1%, 10% BNB and 10% BWF sharing with family and friends for extra commission by BWF token ecosystem. The use cases of the BWF tokens by assessed. The token can be used to buy assets with a viral reality words or in assets in bulleting which lies houses along with other and will be found in the MWF market. Contact word use like in the offline word contacting users website other in the available thing. It makes possible of everyone to see each other throughout technology. Tokens can be used as fees is contacting. By has a space tokens can you use to buy a rating speed which can be used to generate a form of the passive income and be on sold to other parties for a profit. Generate NFTs tokens can also be used to generate noun tokens NFT yet under way of the additional income. Staking white earning passive income with the MWF token can be done via staking, which pays stakers a fixed percentage of the profits based in talking their tokens in the network. Market side, the global argument and the virtual reality and the reality market was valued at around USD 26.7 billion in 2018 and is accepted to reach approximately USD 814.7 billions by 2025 at a CAGR of the 63% between 2019 and 2025. VR gaming market expected to grow to the 405 B by 2020. 26.8 VS market review expected to grow on the 26 and by 2022. $18 M global VS users base accept to grow from 70 M and the user in 2020 to 2016 M in 2025. $68 VS Harris sales accepted to grow to 68 M by 2022. MWF staking short team fill maturity period 19 days, full team arrived 20%, pool size 5000, BWF, pool status coming soon, open soon, medium team, full maturity period 150 days, full team ARY 14 and 40% poll size 7,000 15,000 MWF. Pool status coming soon, open soon, long team fall maturity period full team RY, poll size, poll status. Short team, full maturity parity, full team RY 20%. Pool size and pool status. Medium team and medium team parity 1000. Medium team full maturity parity, full team RY 50%. Pool size. Medium team full maturity parity, full team RY 20%. And 5000 50%. ओपन यू मार्केटर्स, ये सारे ऐप्स के नाम दिए गए हैं। ये देखिए आपको सारी ऐप्स यहाँ पे दिखाई गई हैं। मनी, ये सारे ऐप्स आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई गई हैं। ब्लॉकचेन्स, पॉलीग्यून, इन्वेस्ट स्टोरीज, टीम, आगे आपको एक टीम दिखाई गई है। वी हैव कंबाइंड diversely skills professionals from developers and researchers to experts in other to turn our vision into a reality। यहाँ पे आपको ऐड दिखाया गया है। कीनी डाइनल, नेथ्यू पाना, वर्किंग जोनाथिक, सैम वाओ, जाय मैथाइन, डैनी जाओ, जॉब, मैच्यूरिलक्स, नीहियो, Verizon, Rex, Accession, Me Affairstion, Amioves and ये आपको सारे इनके नेम दिए गए हैं। बिरियान स्ट्रोम, प्रयाकसोम एंड मिचेल वंग, यूगेन थॉर्स। कॉन्टैक्ट अस, ये देखिए इनके टेलीग्राम नंबर। फ्रेंड्स, इनके टेलीग्राम नंबर आपको, टेलीग्राम एड्रेस एंड टेलीग्राम नंबर दिए गए हैं आपको, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। ज्वाइन अस ऑन द नेटवर्ल्ड। आगे देखिए, बैक चलते हैं। यहाँ पे वाइट पेपर पे क्लिक करेंगे। ये वाइट पेपर की एक ऐप ऑन होगी। ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये वाइट पेपर दिया गया है। METWORLD award from the founder. I want to make a moment to thanks for reading white paper. We believe our project will push we are into the next stage will a mix of the organs and the Stiglitz growth. I became interested in the concept of behavioral agility many years ago. I started social network that using the movements and the cover of the contacting. We've been development to science to is of fine. I became contact technology is a spirit of the future. We have implemented method of the acting social network are generate profit from placing ads. Community using VRS and the cryptocurrency is the core of the project. When to advance of the world make it happen. With our undertaking effort in the cryptocurrency trend begins and the growth internet to the clear reach expression will till monetization, contact sharing and the scenario introduction and the viral reality in the without about in the process of became after progressive and the transformative. Technology is the modern community user now and access to new expression of the explored reality world are the date news teach VRS virtual reality in the repair of the future because it is currency generated using computer and therefore not real. We should also mention that the history of VRS goes back many years. May believe the early stages of VR to have begun with the first stop device investment by white paper in the 1838. A fun fact in the charters device and the today VS technology are the almost and the same of the both charters. 138,000 and the device to the popular mobile VRS solution development by the occurs here. We as all the achievement and the effect and the views are there. इमेज बेयर, यहाँ पे आपको ये ऐड दिए गए, यहाँ पे आपको आवर मिशन एंड द मार्केटिंग चैलेंज, यहाँ पे आपको मार्केटिंग चैलेंज दिया गया, ये देखें 26.7, 43.5, 51, 70.9, 11.54 and 180, 88 to 7. Air and the whole height important in the media of the entertainment. It is as the day of the utilist of the normal application and the creating of the several layers. So the smart industry will create new opposition and the goal ball and the vision market. आगे आपको ये देखिए प्रॉब्लम एंड आवर सॉल्यूशंस दिए गए हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट क्रिएटर्स एडवेंचर दिए गए, यहाँ पे आपको डेवलपमेंट एंड द बिजनेस यहाँ पे आपको समरी ऑफ यूजर फैक्ट दिए गए हैं। यहाँ पे देखें द फ्यूचर ऑफ द मीट वर्ल्ड, यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म ओवर रिव्यू, access is the blockchain, why blockchain and the platform differentiations। यहाँ पे आपको टोकन इकोनॉमिक्स दिए गए, यहाँ पे आपको रोड मैप दिए गए जुलाई 2021 में एंड अगस्त 2021, दिसंबर 2021 एंड द नवंबर 2000, ओपन प्री सेल फेब्रुअरी इन 2020। फ्रेंड्स आगे देखिए यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे बाय टोकन, ओके ये देखें जनरल एप्स दिए गए यहाँ पे आपको। I have given the description of this video below. You will find the description below. Thanks for watching.